Welcome. Today we're diving into how to enable the Focused Inbox feature on LinkedIn for your PC, following the latest updates. This feature helps streamline your messaging experience by sorting important messages into a dedicated inbox. To get started, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account settings. Now focus on the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Data Privacy. Click on it to access privacy-related settings for your LinkedIn account. Scroll down until you see the section titled Messaging Experience. Within this section, you'll find an option for Focused Inbox. Click on it to proceed. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch next to Use Focused Inbox. Click this switch to enable the feature. Once activated, your LinkedIn messages will be organized into two tabs, Focused and Other. This means that LinkedIn will prioritize messages it deems important for you, while less relevant messages will be stored in the Other tab. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Focused Inbox on LinkedIn. This new organization method can help you manage your messages more effectively, ensuring that you never miss crucial communications again. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy networking!